So this is how you open a bifolding door with a traffic door. You open the first panel and pin it back to a magnet catch on the outside. You always want to make sure when you're operating the door's pinned back in that position. Step inside, rotate the lever handle and give the frame a push. That's everything open to the outside. To close it, you do the exact same thing from the inside. Give it a push across. What you don't want to do is grab this handle. If you grab this handle, you can damage the frame at the bottom, damage the running gear at the top, and that would be something that's chargeable to repair. Going back to closing it, you step inside, give it a push across, using the grab handle to pull it closed, turning this handle to engage a chute bolt, and then we're just stepping outside to close a normal door. Doesn't matter which of our door systems you're operating, the method of doing it's always the same. You want to make sure your master door is pinned back to the second panel whenever you're opening and closing your door. If you ever have any friends or family around, it makes sense to show them how to operate them so you don't cause any damage to your product.